Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to download the Iqiyi TV app onto your TV, that is LG, Samsung LG TV. Now let's see how we're going to do this. Now if you want to enjoy 1080p with Iqiyi TV, high definition, smooth experience, you want to be able to switch subtitles, you want to be able to enjoy the double Atmos home theater experience, then you need to get it on your TV. Now how do you do this? If you're using the LG, click on the home button on the remote to go into the home page. Then select LG Content Store to go into the App Store. So once you are there, this is how you do it. Then you are going to click the search button on the title bar to search. So click the search button to search, and then you type in Iqiyi, and to help you find the Iqiyi app for you to download. After successfully downloading it, then you can find the Iqiyi app at the end of the application list on your homepage. On your homepage, at the end of the application list is the Iqiyi, and that's it. You click on it and start enjoying the experience. Hope you found this video helpful.